Hey everyone, welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the world of cybersecurity. The age-old question, do you really need a degree to get started in cybersecurity? Let's kick things off by exploring the traditional path. It's widely believed that obtaining a degree in cybersecurity, computer science, or a related field is the surefire way to secure a career in this dynamic industry. But is it truly the only path? Especially in the current landscape. The cybersecurity landscape has undergone a significant transformation in recent years. Employers are increasingly prioritizing practical skills, industry-recognized certifications, and real-world experience over formal education. The question arises, can you carve out a successful career in cybersecurity without a traditional degree? Absolutely. One avenue to prove your mettle in the cybersecurity field is by acquiring relevant skills and certifications. Organizations such as CompTIA, eCouncil, and Offensive Security offer certifications that hold immense value in the job market. These certifications often focus on practical, hands-on skills, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application. Creating a compelling portfolio can be your golden ticket to the cybersecurity realm. Showcase your projects, highlight your achievements, and emphasize your practical skills. In many cases, a well-curated portfolio can speak volumes and sometimes outweigh the importance of a degree on your resume. Never underestimate the power of networking and community involvement in the tech world. Joining cybersecurity forums, attending conferences, and actively engaging with professionals in the field can open doors and provide valuable insights. Building a strong network can be a game changer in your cybersecurity journey. For those aspiring to break into cybersecurity without a degree, here are some practical tips. 1. Build a home lab for hands-on experience. 2. Participate in Capture the Flag competitions to hone your skills. 3. Contribute to open source projects to showcase your collaborative abilities. 4. Stay updated with the latest industry trends and emerging technologies. Cybersecurity is a field that evolves rapidly. It's crucial to stay ahead of the curve by continuously learning and adapting to industry trends. Follow blogs, attend webinars, and explore online platforms to stay informed about the latest cybersecurity developments. In conclusion, while a degree can undeniably provide a solid foundation, it's not the exclusive gateway into cybersecurity. With the right mix of skills, certifications, and a proactive approach, you can undoubtedly carve your niche in this ever-evolving field. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to the dynamic cybersecurity landscape. If you found this exploration of cybersecurity career paths valuable, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth content on cybersecurity, technology, and career advice. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.